This is System Software and Compiler Lab experiment number 1, and in this experiment we are going to see token separation. Initially, token separation means when you get a data or an input, it is going to make it into the minimum, that is the smallest element possible. So as you can see here, we are going to see the code that is going to be written to do the token separation. Now let's see how the code looks like. I have done the program in NetBean, and yes, this is how my program is. Yes, initially I have declared all my variables here, that is CO, COU and 5 variables. These are used to count the number of identifiers and keywords and the string, the numbers and operators, etc. And then later on here, as you can see, there are many string characters where I have initialized them to int and float. So the same way I take the input, that is enter the size of the snippet, and then the input is given. And once the input is given, by using a for loop, the input is being searched, and then the comparisons are done here. As you can see, the lengths are also provided to individual variables, and then using a nested for loop, it is being checked if the given string is a keyword or a special symbol, and then if it is an operator or a number or an identifier, and then later on it is displayed. If it is a identifier or a keyword or whatever it is, and also the count of it is also displayed. So when we run this program, let's see what exactly happens. So yes, when we run the program, you can see enter the size of the snippet. So what happens here is you'll have to give the size of the input that you're gonna give, that is character by character. So say for an example, I'm gonna give the input as int a is equal to 5. So that takes int, that is 1, a 2, and equal to is the operator, that is 3, and then 5 is the value, so that is 4, and then semicolon is 5. So I'll be giving the size as 4 now. Yeah, 4, because it starts from 0 to 4, so that which contains 5. And yes, now we can enter the characters. So while entering, I'm gonna give space in between all of them, that is int space a space equal to space and then the value, that is 5 space and then semicolon. So when I run the program, you can see here the keyword, that is int, is a keyword, then there's an identifier a and the operator is equal to, the numbers is 5, and there's a special symbol, that is semicolon. Now the number of, that is the count. Keywords count is 1, special symbol count is 1, operators count is 1, the number count is 1, and identifier count is 1. So by this we can actually separate the tokens as well as know how many tokens are there, that is what kind of tokens are there, how many countings are there. So this is the end of the first exercise. Thank you.